What's up, guys? So we're gonna do a little bit of an opening over here. So 2005, the cars we're going to look forward to are the Bugatti and the Pagani. So this one, and maybe one more of this, but I don't really need any of these epics, but if I get one of these, I would win the prize call for sure. So let's see how it actually goes, and here we go. First one. Let's see. I just skip these rares, I don't care. And oh, an epic. That's nice. Not sure if I'm going to need that one. Maybe. Because there's one track set where there are 2 drags. So, yeah. Right, but maybe we can actually get lucky and get a good legendary. That would be awesome. Let's see. Still 10k to go after this one. Oh, okay, that's nice. That's really nice. It's a good car, but I already have it maxed. Come on, I need a legend here. And last card. Another epic. Okay, but I have this one as well, but they're not that useful because there's no rain in these finals, so I really do need a legendary here. Really good epic luck though. Can't complain about that. Let's see. Yeah. We probably just used up all of our luck, so but who knows. Last one. Oh, okay. Another epic. Holy macaroni, my god. Okay. This one might be useful, maybe, I'm not sure. Okay, so 3 more to go. Damn, a lot of epics. A lot of epics. Come on. Oh, really high ultra rare and another epic. What? That's crazy. We got more epics than ultra rares. Crazy. Okay. Come on. Please just give me 3 supers. Just give me a Bugatti, or please just give me the Pagani. Please, please, please. Come on. No, okay. I don't know if I can win with my pretty shitty legendary and all of these epics. Come on. Okay, last card. Last card. Come on. And oh, okay, unlucky. Yeah, so I have 6 packs to go, but in my experience it's never worth it to open the last ones because I always get terrible cars in the last ones. Okay, so let's see what we got here. 5 epics, 5 ultra rares. That's crazy. That's absolutely crazy. So I opened 9 packs and got 5 epics. Damn. That's crazy. Okay. Let's do it like this. There we go. Oh. Wrong way. Okay. So we got the Lancer. Going to add and lock these 3. And yeah. So I was quite lucky, but unfortunately no legendary. and I don't know if I can be able to get this one done. So let's just take a quick look at the track sets and then determine what cars I will have to upgrade. So slalom, that's really good for him. Okay, yeah, that's a good track set for me. That's also, yeah, okay. I mean, the Caterham is really good on these two. Hairpin Roads, G-Force Test. Alright, 2 drags. 2 times 2 drags, that's not good. That's not good. No drag over here though. Okay, so I may be able to actually make a hand with my newly acquired Caterham, and yeah, maybe I will pull through. We'll see. Right, I wish all of you good luck in the packs and in the finals, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. See you in the next one.